So today is what? Self-care day. Self-care day. And one of the major things we do on self-care day is what? Skincare. That's the largest organ on your body. So today let's talk about skincare, because sometimes when I post my pictures and I'm not wearing makeup, people are like, "This come closer, come and tell me what you're using." If I do like my workout videos, so like, "Oh, busy your skin, come closer, come and tell me which products." They want to copy and paste as if it's jammed. But what many people don't understand is, different skin types come with different types of skin products. And when you're shopping for these things, you have to shop according to what your skin needs. But it also asserts that there are skincare devices you must use, or there are certain things that you must use to help your pores on your skin. Now, like I said, it's the largest organ in your body, but they are pores. You know what pores are? Those tiny dots, on your skin. That sometimes some people have it very large. When they wear makeup, it just opens up and oil and stuff can come out through it. You want to minimize the appearance. Those pores are what takes in all your skincare products. So for me, I can't go to the spa sometimes, I can't make it to the spa every month. So I try to create at-home spa experience because I understand the things I need to do to ensure that my skin, takes in all the products I do. And I can also fight my issues. As women, we're fighting so many issues. We're fighting either hyperpigmentation, we're fighting either acne, or we're fighting wrinkles, fine lines, all those kind of things. So you need to use your sense, your medulla, and do this thing. So first things first, I already washed my face and I said, hey, no. Obis, pause it right there. Pause it right there. This 2021, we're going to apply pressure. So we need to carry the Obi.Ora women along. Do you understand? So first things first, I need to wash my face. So I'm running the water now. I need to wash my face so I can take you through everything. All right? It's important that you wash your face, okay? So, some of us now, we don't know how to wash face. So let me wash my face. I said, let me just show you, because if you don't know how to wash face, you're not going to be washing like as if it's jeans you're washing. It's not jeans, so your face is not jeans. It's a very sensitive thing. Do you understand? So now, like I said, I already washed my face. So let me just wash it all up. Rinse it really nicely. So you see, I have a bit of sunburn, but I always fight it. But I'll tell you guys, all comes in the video, all right? So you wash your face. Now, if you've learned from me on my skincare webinar, I don't use a face towel. But for the purpose of this video, I need this thing to dry really fast. So I use a face towel. Normally, I just let it air dry. You know what I mean? So now that it's happened this way, the next thing we need to do is the face steamer. So I get a face steamer. Like all the devices I'm showing you in this video is from Blimpy device. So can you see this? Oh, shoot. I need to come closer so you guys can see this thing. So I use it for like 10 minutes, but usually don't come too close, okay? I'm just doing it because I want to show you guys so you can see the steam that is coming out from it, okay? So you keep it about 8 inches away and you do it for like 10 minutes, okay? You do it for like 10 minutes. What it's doing is that it's opening your pores, it's as your pores are opening, it's promoting like blood circulation, okay? So your blood is just moving. Some of you now, your blood, they move. All of you are blocking each other. When it's not moving and you come and use somebody else's product, how do you want it to work? It can't work. And your pores need to open for you to, get the best of your product. So you put it on, like I said, it's from Blimpy device. I'll tag her so you guys can rush her, but this is what it is, and you put it on here. So you do this for about 10 minutes. It's also promoting blood circulation. I already said that. It's opening your pores. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this because any product I then apply, my pores are already open, so it's going to then take in all of that into my skin. I'm bringing this thing close because of the video. So usually I'll just keep it like this, and then it will just go in the direction of my face. Understood? If you understood, say type understood. Obis, I'm getting it. So many of us don't do these things. We don't go to the spa, and we don't have any at-home thing that can help us to keep our faces on point. But when you're doing this thing, the next day when you wake up, you're feeling good. You also must put the right amount of water into this thing because it then bubbles and it becomes steam. All right. So after we've done this thing, the next thing we have to do is use a serum. Okay, so you take a serum, a face serum, And a face serum is usually water-based or a moisturizer. So I'm using a serum in my own case. Oops. So I'm using this one because it has vitamin C. And like I told you, I have a bit of sunburn. Now, can you see why I'm using this particular one? I have a bit of sunburn. I like the whole oxidizing thing. So while I'm putting this, it's now going to enter inside. No excuse. Now I can say my product is what? It's working. Okay? So after I've done that, like I said, you can use either a serum or what? A moisturizer, but it has to be water-based. So the next thing we're going to use is a vacuum pore cleaner. So this is what it looks like. I also got this one from Blimpy Device, which all of them are from her, or from them, sorry. So this one is like this. So it says, so like I called it a vacuum pore cleaner. So we're about to vacuum. So it has a head here. Now I chose this particular head because I have sensitive skin, highly sensitive skin. That's one. And then two, why I chose it is because I have smooth skin. You understand? Is the skin not smooth? I'm a sinner. Is the skin not smooth? So it has different heads. So what you're doing is, you know, as you get older, your skin will have different issues. There's a time I didn't have like dark eye circles. I started having dark eye circles with motherhood and staying awake at night, you know, and all of that stress. Blood is not circulating around your eyes like that, you know. So your issues can come. You can have tomorrow, you can have spots, you can have rashes, you can have pimples. It has different heads. You want to, you know, pick the head that is right. So you can message them to tell you which one to use. So the sizes, so they have different head sizes. Can you see mine is really little? Okay, they have different head sizes. There are about 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So some are for black heads, some are for white heads, some are for, you know, places where you have wrinkles and stuff like that. So you just put it on. And if you have black heads, you understand, those black things or white heads, those ones are coming out sometimes. It looks like it's like chuku chuku. You know chuku chuku now? It looks like chuku chuku, it wants to come out. So what you're going to do is increase it. So you can put it on whether you have oily skin, normal skin, or dry skin. So me, I'm not oily skin, so I'm changing it. Mine is normal skin, you get. So I just put it, and then let me change it, and then I put it on my, so can you see it? So if you have those areas where you want to suction, yeah, you see what I mean? That's what it does. Good girl. So can you see those areas are looking red? You know? So like I said, you choose the size. So while you're doing it, can you see a bit of oil? Can you see that bit of, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's something whitish. See, it's coming out. So, and remember I didn't even use my steamer for that long, my face steamer. But all the oil here, so I'm not going to be having all that oily skin thing again here. You see? See, if you're watching this video and you're not doing this thing, tomorrow I'm not going to ask you this. Come and tell me all your skin this. See, you will suck. So some of you that have not even been taking care of your skin, we're trying to do this thing, all the nyama that will come out. So you can do here. Can you see it dropping? Can you see something white here? Say yes. Not like say yes, but you can see it, right? See mine is dropping. And yet I take care of my skin. So you can do it on your nose as well. Can you see that white thing there? That's all the oil that came out. And some of us is our nose. You know, so you then suck it out. So you have to take your time and do it. So now remember, I took the one that is for sensitive skin and smooth skin already. Okay, so just ask when you're buying yours which one you're supposed to use. Okay, so I focus on those areas. You know, you don't want, so you can see how it's, this is what they call self-care. Take care of yourself. But what every time you're taking care of everybody, it doesn't say ojuju kalaba. You're following your husband looking like ojuju. You take care. You have to be intentional. You will do homework. You will cook. You will cook rice. You will sweep house. You will clean house. Only you will do everything. Only you at night you will open leg. When will you now take care of yourself? These are the kind of things that, you know, when you come out, you look at yourself, you say, see, can you see it? Look at, I'm cleaning and sucking. So after I've done this, I do it for all the different parts. So some of you, you know, I feel those of you that have oily skin, your T-zone, some of you, your blackheads are anywhere, just go to those places, you know. You have acne, those acne spots, to suck out everything. You know what I mean? So after we're done with this one, we then take the Rejuvenation back. So I told this one, this vacuum, it sucks. You know, you use it in your house and it's on the rug, on the carpet, and it's just, that's exactly what this one does. So, but when you're done, you have to take out the head. So you take out the head and then you wash it and then you dry it and then you keep it. All right. So the next thing I'm going to use is the Rejuvenation Wand, which looks like this. So the Rejuvenation Wand, this one, the thing is like a, see, negodi. Hey, color change something. Hey. So I now increase. So you can change the light, but what this uses the light therapy. So I'm just increasing the strength to the highest. So it has different. Can you see the display there? That's what I'm increasing, and then I increase it to the highest, and then. You shall change the light, shall you know which one you're using? Maybe I should use there's blue, I'll be pink. Which one should we use now? Obis. There's red, green. Anyways, so what this does, it focuses on hyperpigmentation, acne, and wrinkles. Okay? So you then take it and you put, see, it's as if it's sticking, it goes into your skin. So like if you have fine lines, fine lines usually appear here. Can you see? Some people have lines here and it starts squeezing up. You need your skin supple. Not the supple. Like it's healthy, it's bouncy, it's fluffy. See, that's how your skin should be. Not here is all in a... So this is what you take and put in those areas, okay? So that it can work. You just rest it there. As you put it there, it goes in. It's as if it's catching your skin, it's working on it. It's not doing work, sha. This kind of thing, you can just take this eye cover, cover your eye like this, put sweet music, romantic music, subtle, all those kind of, all those songs. Oh, not Choma Jesus, not that one, no. All those soft music, put it on those areas. So what it does is like when it goes on your skin, you'll be feeling it like a grip. It goes on your skin, picks it up, and then, and then you release, it goes on your skin, picks it up, and then you drop. So you take those areas. You see what I mean? Those particular places I was telling you guys about? You just go there. So you see what I'm doing? So like here, all those places where you have fine lines, you go, you put it there. It will be working. Now let me tell you something about skincare. Skincare is not something you do one day, 1 month, 3 months, and you see the results. Your skin is an organ that keeps every result of whatever you've put inside it. Do you understand? You have to be consistent. Tell yourself this thing, I'm doing it. 6 months. It becomes 1 year. When you become so consistent, you start seeing results. And then at the end of the day, guess what? Your skin will be giving you a report card. A1, A. What did you use? What did you use on your skin? All right? So this is the last skincare device I use on my face. And when I'm done, I can now apply other products like my retinol, my sunscreen, because sunscreen helps you with handling things like hyperpigmentation and sunburn. Okay, so thank you for coming to my TED Talk, ladies. Let me go and relax now and focus. Let me just come and do this video for you guys. If you need anything I showed you today, go to Blimpy Device. This 2021, ladies, girls, apply what? Pressure. Apply what? Pressure, and be unapologetic about it. I need you to flood yourself. Look your best. Look good. Live this life. Enjoy this life. Chop this life. You understand what I'm calling? Let me cover this too. Chop this life. You understand? And look what? Good. Not they carry your problems for head. Problem, no, they what? No, they finish. Stop looking like your problems. Peace out, lady.